Hello, in front of me I've got NuChamp Armor 3. In this video I'll show you how to remap buttons. To remap buttons of your controller, first you go to System Settings and go to Controller and Sensors. Change button mapping and here select Current Controller. Select Change, select button you would like to remap, and select new function for this button. You can also manage controller stick settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.